Wow! Is it a Bosch Europa horn? Such an expensive horn! But wait! It's not Europa, it's a Zappa horn! Hi guys, welcome back again to our channel. For today's video, I will do a sound test of a Zappa electromagnetic super horn. It's the sound or a horn of the future, as it's indicate in the box. You can compare the size of this horn to a Bosch Europa. Elegant in a chrome grille cover. Huge horn. Same size as the Europa Bosch, but this is more cheaper and loud. And this is the look of this Zappa electromagnetic super horn. And now let's do the sound test. Thank you for watching.